Hi everyone, today our group 4 want to present about creating partition. Our group members have LOON, LOON, Jing, and JING. My name is Jing and my train number is 279673. I will present about partition 1 Windows OS 10. To create the partition Windows OS 10, first we need to click Start menu, find the administrative tools, and then double-click Computer Management. Once the window Computer Management appears, click this management in the left pane, right-click the C column partition and select string volume. Next, enter the amount of space to string, then click the string button. After string the C column partition, a new block of unallocated space will appear in this management. Right-click on it and choose New Simple Volume to create new partition. Next, select Next. After select Next, enter the size of the volume you want to create in megabyte MB or accept the maximum default size, and then click Next. Accept the default drive letter or choose a different drive letter to identify the partition, and then select Next. Next step is select Do not format this volume or format this volume with the following setting, and then select Next. Then click Finish. The new partition created successfully. Next partition is partition 2 Windows OS 8.1. To create partition Windows OS 8.1, first we need to search and download Windows OS 8.1 from Google Chrome. After finish download, click the file to install open source in the file and file setup. Then click Setup to install Windows 8.1. Next, type a product key in and click Next. Accept the license agreement by checking the box, and then click Next. After accepting the agreement, you have two installation options available. Choose second option, Custom Install Window Only Advanced. Select a partition, New Volume to install the Windows 8.1, then click Next. Windows will begin installing. After installed, click Restart Now. After restart, it will run out an option to choose an operating system, then choose Windows 8.1. Select the region and language, then click Next. Setting personal region such as color and PC name, then click Next. It will come out a Express setting, then click User Express setting. Set up the username and password, then click Finish. Windows 8.1 installed successfully. After Windows 8.1 installed successfully, press Windows key and R. Type diskmanagement.msc inside the text box, then press Enter or click OK. After click OK, right-click the All column partition and select String Volume. Enter the amount you want to string the hard disk by in megabyte and then click Next. Next, right-click the region of the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume, then click Next. After click Next, enter the size of the volume you want to create in megabyte or accept the maximum default size, and then click and then select next. Next, choose any drive letter that you want to choose, then click next. Next, select the NTFS file system and click next. Last step is click finish. Successfully create the new partition. Next is partition 3, format of data. First step is open computer management by selecting Start button, find Windows Administrative Tools, and then double-click Computer Management. Once the Computer Management appears, click Disk Management in the left pane. Next, right-click the drive you want to format or choose formats. Next, enter the name you want to give to the drive in the volume label text box, and then select OK. The last step is click OK. This for my part. Thank you.
Hi sir, my name is Jingi. My matching number is 279797. Now I would like to present about our group project 1 for the partitions for Linux whatever OS. First, you need to search and download the Ubuntu Linux ISO file from Google. Second, search and download Rufus. Then open Rufus. The Rufus will automatically select the device. You need to click Select by the boot selection drop-down and locate your Windows ISO file. Next, get your USB drive a link in the volume label text box. After that, click Start. Then, click OK when you get a warning. All data in device will be destroyed. Then, Rufus will start to creating the ISO image on the USB. Next, you need to open Settings, File Object, and Security, and choose Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Start Now. After that, select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options. Choose UEFI firmware settings and click Restart. After restart, the BIOS open. You need to select boot and press F6 to change the position of the USB outputs. Then make sure the position of the USB at the first position. Then press F10 to save and exit. After restart, the computer will show a welcome window. You need to select the language, then click Install Ubuntu. After that, choose your keyboard layout and click Continue. Third, choose one to connect Wi-Fi or not, then click Continue. After that, select normal installation and install third-party software, then click Connect. Then, click Install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager to allocate drive space, and then click Continue. Lastly, click Install Now and click Continue and start the installation. After the process of the installation is finished, select your location on the map and click Continue. Then, click your name, computer name, user account, and user password. Then, click Continue. Done, and wait for the installation to complete. When the installation is complete, click Restart Now and remove your USB flash drive when finally successfully installed Ubuntu. Next, we use the flash drive to finish the part of this boot demo. First, you need to search and download the Windows 10 ISO file by using the Google. Second, open it after finish download. After that, click Yes on the window below. Then click Accept. Then choose Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC, and then click Next. On the Select Language window, select your language edition or other, and then click Next. Then select USB flash drive and click Next. The next step is select your removable drive and click Next. Then waiting for the progress complete. When the progress is complete, click Finish, and finally you can find it in this PC.
Hi, sir, and everyone. My name is Leonge. My tag number is 27884. Now, I would like to present user setting. The first one is create password at file level. The first step is start or restart the PC. Press F2 key to get into file setting. The second step is located to administrator password. Press enter or click on it. The third step is enter the password on the pop-up box. For the tips, the user's password is the power on password. If you set a user password, you have to enter the password before the power is on. The fourth step is administrator password install will appear. Next, exit and save the change. Then the next time, whoever want to get into file settings will need to enter file password. The second task is click computer name. The first step is find the settings in laptop. The second step is click system in settings. The third step is after that you want to click the file in system. Next, click rename this PC. And then you write your computer name you want and click next after type your computer name. Finally, you can restart your computer after computer name is changed. The third part is click user's account and password. The first step is hit to Windows 10 settings. The second step is click account in settings. The third step is click on family and other users. And then under other users, click add someone else to this PC. Moreover, enter in and add the new email for the account. If the person does not have an email, click I do not have this person's sign-in information. After that, click add a user with number Microsoft account. You can choose another choice. So after that, fill in the information such as username and password and click next. After creating a new user's account, you can see the user account in other category. You also can find the user and click the new user account. Finally, you have to log in your user account with password you clicked just now. The last part is application software installation antivirus software. The first step is click Google Chrome and find the AWS free antivirus, and then click the download free protection. After that, click the file to start installing. After install, click to continue. That's all for me. Thank you.